The M-Audio Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches is a powerful, affordable, and user-friendly MIDI controller designed for musicians, producers, and composers who want to elevate their music production without breaking the bank. Featuring 61 full-size, velocity-sensitive keys, the Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches offers a responsive and expressive playing experience, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned players alike. Whether you're laying down melodies, chords, or bass lines, the velocity-sensitive keys capture the subtle dynamics of your performance, offering you precise control over your sound. One of the key features of the Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches is its simple plug-and-play USB connectivity, which makes setup a breeze. With just a USB cable, the keyboard connects directly to your computer or DAW, eliminating the need for external power sources or complicated installation processes. This makes it ideal for producers who need a portable and hassle-free MIDI controller that they can take anywhere from the studio to the stage. The Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches is compatible with all major DAWs, such as Ableton Live, Logic Pro, Pro Tools, and FL Studio, offering seamless integration right out of the box. In addition to its 61 keys, the Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches features pitch bend and modulation wheels, providing added expressiveness for live performances and studio recordings. The modulation wheel gives you the ability to shape sound textures, while the pitch bend wheel allows for smooth pitch transitions, perfect for creating more dynamic and expressive performances, especially when used with virtual instruments or synths. The octave buttons give you quick access to higher or lower note ranges, allowing you to play melodies and bass lines that span the entire keyboard without needing to physically move your hands. These buttons are incredibly useful when you're playing parts that require quick shifts between octaves or working with virtual instruments that have a wide note range. Another important aspect of the Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches is its DAW control. With transport controls built directly into the keyboard, you can play, stop, rewind, and fast-forward through your DAW's timeline without needing to touch your mouse or keyboard. This feature makes the Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches an excellent choice for producers and musicians who want to streamline their workflow and keep their hands on the keys at all times. The assignable buttons further enhance the controller's versatility, allowing you to customize your workflow to suit your specific needs. For musicians who like to work with both software and hardware instruments, the Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches offers MIDI output via a standard 5-pin DN port, allowing you to connect it to external synthesizers, drum machines, or sound modules. This adds flexibility to your setup, making it a great choice for both in-the-box production and hardware-based setups. The Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches comes bundled with a powerful software suite that includes Pro Tools, First Ableton Live Lite, and a collection of virtual instruments and effects from Air Music Technology. This software bundle provides instant access to a range of professional-grade tools, including Spand, 2 Mini Grand, and Strike, allowing you to start producing right away, regardless of your experience level. Whether you're producing electronic music, composing cinematic scores, or writing your next big hit, the M-Audio Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches is a reliable, affordable, and powerful MIDI controller that provides all the essential features you need to bring your musical ideas to life. Its simple design, robust functionality, and seamless integration with DAWs make it a fantastic option for anyone looking to take their music production to the next level. Whether you're working in the studio or performing live, the Keystation 613 Malawian Kwaches is a versatile and easy-to-use tool that gives you full control over your sound, enabling you to create music with ease and creativity.